quietly. And thank you to everyone who's still sitting quietly and has their whiteboards out and ready for this next activity. And for this activity, I'm going to need all eyes up here, please. Full body listening would be fantastic. Now, what we're going to be looking for here today, what I want everyone to write on their whiteboards, and don't write it yet, but we're going to be looking at angles. We're not going to be naming them, but we're going to be talking about what kind of angle it is. So I want you to tell me what kind of angle it is. And our options are acute. Remember, acute. We have obtuse. We have straight. Right angles. Okay? So I'm going to use my protractor first. This is my protractor. I'm going to set that down. And I'm going to draw a straight line first. And then the next ray, so there's one ray. The next ray, I want to draw that direction. So on your whiteboards, please write acute, obtuse, straight, or right. And then when you have it done, please hold it up so I can see. No, choose one. Choose one answer that best fits with that angle, please. Okay, and I see some of us have their answers up already, and they're correct so far. Okay, so we're not drawing the angle, we're just writing what kind of angle it is, remember? Okay, so 5, 4, get your answer down and show it to me, please. 3, 2, and 1. And remember, instead of drawing the angle, what I wanted us to write is obtuse. Yes, I want obtuse. Okay, I'm going to do one more now. Let's do this one. Notice how I'm measuring it with my protractor and using my straight edge. Okay, so tell me what kind of angle this one is, please. Oh, some people already got it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done.
And then sanitizer for our hands.
They're very messy, right?
Okay, so pull this one in. Okay, so going around the class, I see right angle, 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 right angle. That's perfect. And then Aiden, write the type of angle. So write the type of angle instead of drawing a picture of it. I want us to write what kind of angle it is. Okay? And then right angle. And what was our clue? What was our hint? Yeah. Yeah, this square right here. Yeah, so whenever we see an angle with a square right there in the corner, that means that it's a right angle. I'm going to do a couple more, so try to stay with me, alright?
Will you erase it?
Yes, you can erase those. Now I'm going to start with one angle going that way, and then I'm going to put the other angle that direction, or the other ray going that direction. So which type of angle is this one down here? So please hold it up. So if you can hear me, clap once, please. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, show me your answer. It looks like we have straight angle, straight angle, straight angle, straight angle, straight angle, straight angle, straight angle. Yes. Everybody is correct. That is a straight angle. And then our clue for straight angles is that it's a straight line. Yeah, and it measures 180 degrees. Okay. Now, it looks like everyone's doing pretty well with this. So I just want to do one more for everybody. There's my first ray. And there's my second ray. Here's my angle. And what kind of angle is that? Okay, we got one. We got one. This is the one we're looking at now. This guy right here. Very nice. I like you complete sentence back there. All right. What did I say about? Now, the dry erase board should work with dry erase only. That's why they call it dry erase, because you don't have to put any kind of liquid or hand sanitizer on it, since these don't.
You use the permanent marker
Okay, so it looks like everybody, almost everybody, got acute angle. That is correct here. Acute angle. And it's just a cute little angle. Look how small and cute it is. That's how you know it's an acute angle. Okay? So now the reason why we're going over this is because I want everyone to first be able to see that when an angle is less than 90 degrees, and when I mean less than, I mean that it's smaller than 90 degrees, right? This angle is smaller than that one. Okay, there's too much talking going on right now. So when this angle is smaller than that one, it's acute. Okay, and when it's larger than the right angle, it's obtuse. And so we're practicing this because I want everyone to be able to look at it, just be able to see it really quick and be able to say, oh yeah, that's an obtuse, or oh yeah, that's acute. Yes. A straight angle would have a larger measure. I guess it would have more degrees in it, because from here to here is 180 degrees. Oh, wait. Jorge just had a really great observation. You know, he said, what's larger, or he asked, what's larger, an obtuse or a straight angle? And let me show you. Okay, so let me show you, everybody. So the thing about an angle too is it's the measure of a circle. So imagine too, if you like skateboarding or snowboarding, or I heard Call of Duty, that if you were to do like a 360 degree spin, that would be the measure of a complete circle. If you do, so say here's my arm is one right, and say you just did 180 degrees, right? That would be a straight angle. You start this direction and then you end in that direction. And then an obtuse angle would be like starting in this direction and then ending like over there. It's not quite 180 degrees, but it's more than just 90. Okay? Which is still not as much as 360. Okay? We got it? Alright, so now we can put our whiteboards away, and instead I want you to take out your math journal. So we'll get to the table, I can do that quietly and quickly. Table points.
Poison. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah.
I can get you in trouble.
Oh, Frank, yeah,
Can I get
Jordan.
What did you do that I was gonna trade this to you. Give me blue.
You can trade it somebody. No, shouldn't be. She's talking to Okay, so now that everybody has, and the important thing to remember about our protractors is that they're math tools. They are not toys, and they're not weapons, and they're not for fighting over there, table 1. These are math tools. They help us with our math homework, and so let's make sure that we're not using them to fight with anybody. That's important. Now, what we're going to do, we should all have our math journals out too. That was our first instruction. And so with your math journals out, and with your protractors and a pencil, please meet me again back up at the front of the classroom. So I'm looking for somebody who can do that quietly, quickly. So Michelle's got it. So Michelle can put herself out. Jean and Anthony. And in your math journal, please turn to a blank page. Yes. Oh, okay. Michelle's up here. Frank can be in the back. So, with our, oh, thank you, John. I'll just sit over in this area, please. Now, I want everyone to use this with me because the thing with the protractors is that they can be a little bit tricky to get a hang of at first. So, I want to show everybody first how to draw a 90-degree angle. And so give yourself plenty of space. We can do this nice and big. We're going to use a couple pages on our math journal today. We're going to use a couple pages. But I need it to be awfully quiet so we can do this. Remember, they're not toys and they're not weapons, and they are math tools that will help us learn geometry. And so the purpose today of me having you guys come up here with your protractors is I really want you to be able to draw your angles. And so if you're using an expo marker on paper, that's never a good idea. And it's also not a good idea because you want to use something that will fit in the holes of your protractor. An expo marker won't work. So I would still rather pencil for math always. Now,